Hey guys, if you're a member of myEcon, you need to watch this video, okay? If you're thinking about quitting, whether you're on my team or somebody else's, this is a very important video, and I'm glad that you're actually here. You need to hit that subscribe button if you are. Even if you are a member, hit that subscribe button because I put a lot of stuff out to tell you how to be successful with myEcon. Why can I talk about that? Because I'm successful with myEcon, right? I've been here for a while. I've been doing the things that we're supposed to do. I've been utilizing the products and making money with myEcon. So I'm going to go over with you in this video how to make money with myEcon without recruiting a single person, whether you're a member right now or not. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you get notified when I put more information out about how to make money with myEcon and be successful without using this affiliate program, whether you want to or not. Check it out. All right, so one of the most underrated things on this planet is myEcon and their products. Everybody out there is talking about how to make money with myEcon and being an affiliate for them, right? The only way you can make money with myEcon is by recruiting people. That is a complete misinformation, misunderstanding. It's completely wrong. You can make a lot of money, a full-time income actually, just by utilizing the products, the actual membership that you have. I can show you how to do that. I actually have a playlist that I'm going to have on my YouTube channel, which is why you want to hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to show you in detail how to use these products to make money, actually make and save you more money than what you're probably making with your full-time job right now. This is what I do, okay? Even though I utilize the affiliate program with myEcon and I obtain members, one of the top salespeople, I'm one of the top recruiters, and one of the top earners with myEcon. So I am successful with the affiliate program with myEcon. Now, before I even became successful, all right, before I even became successful at marketing the myEcon affiliate program, I was making money with myEcon by utilizing the products. And that's where a lot of people go wrong. That's where a lot of people are quitting themselves because they're thinking, oh, well, I'm not making, thousands of dollars a week off of this affiliate program, so I'm going to quit. And they stop being a member of myEcon. And whether you're on my team or not, you can make money with this. You absolutely can, whether you use the affiliate program or not, whether you recruit a single person. That's what sets myEcon apart from everything else, all the other multi-level marketing companies out there. It's not a pyramid scheme because of these products, right? You are placing a heavy emphasis on recruitment, but you can make money, a lot of it, without recruiting a single person, without even having a social media account. You could never go onto social media ever. Well, obviously you are if you're watching this, but you don't have to post to social media at all. And you can still make a full-time income or have more money in your account than you do right now just by utilizing these products. And that's why myEcon is a personal financial success company, because you can be financially successful just by utilizing their products, okay? So what I want you to do is go over to my YouTube channel. If you're not there, if you're watching this somewhere else, go to my YouTube channel at Cory Hemminger. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Make sure that you watch my playlist that goes over step by step exactly how to make money with the affiliate program, all right? And every dime that you're going to need to spend to do it. And then also watch the playlist that is continually improving, that is continually expanding and adding new videos to about the actual products, okay? And they will explain to you exactly how to make money. But if you're thinking about quitting myEcon, don't utilize the products instead, because you will more than pay for your membership 10 times over if you use those products. I'm telling you, check it out.